In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Asana project template in just 5 minutes. This guide will walk through each step, ensuring that you can easily create a reusable project template to streamline your tasks and collaboration efforts. To start, you'll need to go to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Asana login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After typing your email, click on the Continue button. This will take you to the next step where you'll be required to enter your password. Type in your password, ensuring it's correct, and then click on Login. Now you're on your Asana homepage where all your projects and tasks are organized. The first task on hand is to create a new project. Begin by selecting the Add New Project option. Name your project something that's easy to recognize. Once you've created the project, look for the Actions drop-down menu, typically represented by 3 dots or lines on your newly created project page. Click on that menu and select the option labeled Save as Template. This step is crucial as it converts your project into a template that can be used repeatedly. Once you choose to save the project as a template, you will have to decide on the privacy settings. Here, you can select who can access and use the template. You may allow anyone in your team to edit the template or restrict those privileges to certain team members. Similarly, you can also determine whether anyone on the team can use the template or limit its use to specific users. Choose the privacy options that best fit your collaboration needs. After setting the privacy preferences, go ahead and proceed by clicking on Create Template. This action confirms all settings and saves your template. Now you have successfully created a project template, which should significantly reduce the time spent setting up similar projects in the future. To locate your newly created template, go to the My Workspace section of your Asana interface. Here, click on the All Work tab. Within the Templates section, you'll find your project template waiting. Click on the template to view or edit, making any necessary adjustments to ensure it meets your requirements. Once you've made any edits, remember to click Done to save those changes. With these steps, you've not only created a project template, but also customized its access settings. This template can be a huge time saver and help maintain consistency across projects. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. I hope it helps make your project management more seamless and efficient. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.